Hello everyone and welcome back to NavYugKids School Assembly News. Today is 27 July 2026 and here are the top headlines for the day. Let's begin with the national news.
National news. India observed the 27th Kargil Vijay Diwas this weekend, paying tribute to the brave soldiers who fought and sacrificed their lives in the 1999 Kargil War. Union Minister Pralhad Joshi has been given the additional charge of the Ministry of Education following the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan.
International news. The APEC Forestry Ministerial Meeting begins today in Shenzhen, China. Leaders are discussing how to protect forests and manage them sustainably. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres is expected to address Syria's new parliament today during his historic visit to Damascus.
Karnataka state news. The IMD has forecast heavy rainfall across several parts of Karnataka until 30 July, with safety advisories issued for coastal and Malnad districts.
Sports news. Anahat Singh created history by becoming the first Indian to win the World Junior Squash Championship title.
Thought of the day. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.